Hello dear SSC aspirant. So in this video, we are going to learn divisibility test for 11. So let me explain the divisibility test with an example. Let us take this number. Whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. How do you check it? There is a procedure here. First we have to do is you need to add the numbers available in the odd places and you need to add the numbers available in the even places. And you need to take the difference. If the difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay. Let us apply that concept here. So you add the numbers available in the odd places. So it is 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8. Sorry. Yeah, 7 plus 8, it is going to be what? 15 and a half. Next, you add the numbers available in the even places. It is going to be what? 12 and then 17. Then it is going to be 26. Now try to find the difference. So bigger difference means bigger number minus smaller number. If you find the difference, I'm getting what? 11. The answer what you are getting is if it is a multiple of 11, it can be what 11, 22, 33, something like that, or it is 0. The place if you get 0, then this number is what? Divisible by 11. Okay. And if you take this number, if you apply this concept again, whether this number is divisible by 11 or not, how do you check it? You add the numbers available in the odd places, it is going to be what? 6. Add the numbers available in the even places, it is going to be what? 16. What is the difference? 10. 10 is not multiple of 11, therefore this number is not divisible by 11. This is one logic. It's very simple. Adding numbers in odd places, adding the numbers in the even places, finding the difference. Answer is multiple of 11. The given number is divisible by 11. This can also be approached through other way. The same thing only. The other way is you try to find the difference. Two numbers you take from right. Try to find the difference. 4 minus 3, it is what? 1. 8 minus 3, it is what? 5. 5 minus 1, it is what? 4. 9 minus 8, it is what? 1. Now you add the numbers. What is that we have? So it is 10. I'm getting what? 11. 11 is what? Multiple of 11. Therefore, this number is divisible by 11. This is other way. You try to just subtract the two numbers from the right. Add the numbers. Even if you get suppose year 3, year 4 means the difference is going to be minus 1. 3 minus 4, it is going to be minus 1. You are going to write minus 1. Okay. And whatever the final answer when you add, you are getting it is a multiple of 11. The number is divisible by 11. Now, if you apply the same concept here, it is going to be what? The difference here it is going to be 6. And then here it is going to be what? 4. Again, addition is going to be 10. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 11. Okay. So, this is how we have to apply the divisibility test for 11. Now, let's apply this concept in some of the PYQ question of SSC divisibility test for 11. So, which of the following number is divisible by 11? So, what is that we do? We'll apply the odd and even place sum concept here. Okay. Otherwise, the other concept also, if we want, we can apply, no problem. So, it is going to be 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, it is going to be 4. Same then even place number, it is going to be what? 15. So 8 plus 7, 15. The difference is going to be 11. So this number is divisible by 11. That's it. The option is A. And if you want to, confirm with the other options, we can do it. You add all the numbers in the odd places. It is going to be what? 13. 13 plus 2, it is 15. Even place, if you add, it is going to be what? 13. So difference is 2. It is not a multiple of 11 or 0. Therefore, this number is not divisible by 11. Now, if we take this number, it is going to be 15. Then it is going to be what? 17. And if we add the numbers here, it is going to be 10. The difference is 7. Definitely, this number is not divisible by 11. Now, if we add the numbers in odd places, 7 plus 2, it is 9. Even place number, it is going to be 17. If we find the difference, it is going to be what? 8. Therefore, this is not divisible by number. So the final answer is not 0 or multiple of 11. Therefore, these options are not multiple of 11 or divisible by 11. Option A is correct. Now let's answer one more question to get a better clarity on this. Let's answer the second question on divisibility test by 11. So they have given this number. This number is divisible by 11, they've said. What is the value of P in the Q, where P is greater than Q? That's the question. Now we'll apply the divisibility test for 11 here. So what is it? You add the numbers available in the odd places. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5 is going to be 13. Now you add the numbers available in the even places. Q plus 3 plus P plus 8. Number is 8 plus 3, 11 plus what? 11 plus P plus what? Q. This is what we have. Now, if I find the difference can be what? If it is divisible by 11 means it can be 0 or it should be what? Multiple of 11. Suppose if I want to get here 0. So what is going to come in the place of P and Q or P plus Q? In the place of P plus Q, if it is 2, 11 plus 2 it is 13, 13 minus 13 it is going to be what? 0. So that is your P plus Q, it is going to be 1, 2 means you are getting 0. Okay. Now, P plus Q is 0, they have given what clearly P is greater than Q. Therefore, P plus Q 2 means I have this possibility. 1 plus 1 is also what? 2. But P and Q are what? Equal. Therefore, this possibility is ruled out. Equality is not allowed. And then what? Next possibility is 2 plus 0 is what? 2. P is greater than Q. So this possibility is okay because P is greater than Q, 2 is greater than 0. Okay, so in the place of P plus Q, we can get what? 2. And what is this? Here what they are asking? P into Q. That means what? 2 into 0. Answer is what? 0. Okay, P into Q. In this case, P plus Q is 2 means P into Q, that is 2 into 0, it is going to be 0. You have an option. P into Q can become what? 0. So if you think the other way, it is not only you can get here 0, even you can have what? 11 or 22 or whatever. Suppose if you want to get here 11, what is that in the place of P plus Q is going to be? The difference has to be what? 11 means definitely I can increase here only, not here. Okay. So 11 plus something minus 13, it should be what? 11. That means it is going to be what? 13 here. P plus Q 13 means it is going to be what? 24. That means difference 11 plus 13, 24. 24 minus 13. The difference is going to be what? 11. That is 24 minus 13. The difference is going to be what? 11. Okay. So in the place of P plus Q, what is that I am getting now? P plus Q, it is going to be 13. To get 13, there are various possibilities. P plus Q. So first number should be bigger than the second number. That is, there are what? Like 7 plus 6. Okay, 13. But if we multiply these two numbers, it is going to be what? 42. They have given in the options here only single digit value. And there is another possibility also. What? Like you can take 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is also what? 13. But if you multiply, it is going to be what? 40. So here, whatever they have given in the option, it's single digit, not 2-digit value multiplication. Not 2-digit value. P and Q. If you multiply here, we are getting what? 2-digit when the difference is 11. Since they have given in the options only the single digit we are able to get only when P plus Q is 2. Therefore, the answer for this question is 0. Option is A. Hope you have understood this question answer. Now I have a question for you. Go through this question. Try to answer. Give your answer as comment below the video. Thank you.